Hey friends, this is the Miss Volfie from our half-acre homestead with a quick cooking tip. Now, Papa and I are going to have steak for supper just because I want to treat Papa. He's torn down the pool, he's been doing all this work, and I just wanted to buy him a couple of steaks. But it's Sunday and I don't really feel like cooking. Now, I convinced him to grill the steaks, but what am I going to do for the rest? I got lettuce, but no dressing. I've got potatoes for baking, but no sour cream. So here's what I'm going to do. In my video from the flattened chicken, I had these leftover organic carrots. And all I've done is I've taken 3 red potatoes and I've scrubbed them good, and then I've poked holes in them. Washed and dumped the rest of those baby carrots in. A stalk of celery. Sorry about that, I'm doing this one-handed and I had to chop the parsley. So I've got red potatoes, baby organic carrots, 1 stalk of celery in 3 chunks, and I've put in a knob of butter, which is about 2 tablespoons, and I have put salt, pepper, fresh parsley, and now I'm just going to throw in a bit of garlic powder. And all we're going to do is set this on high until it comes up to temperature and let it cook until supper is done. Now, if you're going to eat hours from now, folks, put it on low. But we're going to eat in 2 hours from now, so this is staying on high. Okay, Papa's about to put the steaks on the, sorry about the steam. Put the steaks on the barbecue. And obviously, I realized after I put the camera down that those potatoes needed to be quartered. I wish you could smell this. It's just so lovely. And then Papa went out and picked our very first crop of asparagus. And in the time it takes him to cook the steaks, they will be lovely and steamed with the rest of the vegetables. This is crock pot vegetable medley to go with that beautiful steak you broiled. And the beautiful asparagus you picked.
What am I tasting?
All of it.
Asparagus is really good.
Yep. That's our first harvest of asparagus. Finally, after, I don't know.
Très bien.
Très bien. And guess what? He didn't even pepper it, folks.
Oh my.
That's saying something. This is the Miss Volfie from our half-acre homestead saying if you want a lovely meal and you don't want a lot of fuss, throw a bunch of vegetables in the crock pot. Bit of butter, bit of this, bit of that. 2 hours before supper, throw it on high and Bob's your uncle. But if you're doing it in the morning, do it on low. If you're adding asparagus, add it in the last 20 minutes. Just put it in, put the lid on it to steam. All right? Take care, God bless. I gotta go eat my dinner.